Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Volkswagen T-Roc, stock number 6110. This ran from 03 2020 to the current shape. It has a CZPB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. This is the CZPB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,